Good morning. Today is Thursday, April 9th, 2020.
The Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee. Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible. Let's review the days of the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday.
Today is Thursday, April 9th, 2020. Yesterday was Wednesday, April 8th, and tomorrow will be Friday, April 10th.
The month is April, and next month will be May.
So remember, we are celebrating all month long. There is no school on Friday, Easter weekend. Today is April 9th, 2020. And the weather is partly cloudy with 75 degrees. Remember to wash your hands daily. Get those germs off.
So for today's morning workout, you'll find a video named Go Noodle, and you could use that as your daily exercise video. Remember to be active at least 30 minutes a day.
Today we'll be working on math and IEP goals. Remember to reach out if you have any questions. Thank you. So let's do the mood meter. How are you feeling today? Mad, happy, sad, or relaxed? I am feeling happy because it's a long weekend. There is no school tomorrow. So ready, set, go. Let's get started with the day.